This is the first and tough video for me for two reasons. One, while recording this video, I don't know how to talk with myself, like an abnormal guy who goes on talking with his own self. And secondly, I have to tell everything about myself in next few minutes. Yes, right. Hello champions, my channel name is Ibex Money. The question is why I am making this video, and the answer you're gonna find out in next few minutes. After watching full video, you might call me crazy, but one thing is guaranteed, that you're gonna love it. Let's start. One day, I was buying an ice latte on airport and I bumped with an idea. Why not to help and support people by sharing my experience of financial market like crypto, NFT, stock market, Forex, and not just it, but also amazingly interesting facts of the world and how international politics and economy is working. I shared this idea with one of my good friend and he said to me, make videos and share it with people for free. I said, man, I am not a video guy and I don't feel comfortable talking on camera. He answered me, okay, then just don't make it. Keep enjoying your lavish lifestyle and take all your experience and knowledge with you in grave. Maybe then you will feel proud that you could have helped and support people by sharing your experience and knowledge, which could have maybe changed many people's life. But no, you did absolutely nothing. As I heard it, I felt crumble. I decided I must have to make videos and start supporting and helping people through a YouTube channel. So here is my first video. By the way, after getting a lot of courage and a bit more ABC about me, I have done MBA and have been in the finance industry from almost a decade. I also got motivated by checking some of the guys also making videos on finance. Yes, probably you have guessed who they are because they are famous. They are doing great in managing their personal finance. However, in couple of things they can do much better by simply changing a basic business strategy. And yes, exactly, this is my personal opinion. Oh, and also about me, I have won several awards in financial markets. Definitely I will show you later in another video because this video is not about my performance. Let me tell you a little bit about my journey as well. About a decade ago, I borrowed money from friends to buy food. Somehow I was managing to spend days hungry and just ate cookies every day around 6 p.m. so that I would have fed my hungry stomach for the whole day and night as well. I didn't have the money to pay the rent. However, I am grateful to a friend who let me sleep in his apartment for almost a month without charging me any rent. Struggling every day with swollen feet and broken shoes, every day to night and getting non-stop rejections, I was very used to it. And not just that, luckily there were also some friends who were very cruel to me for being me probably the poorest guy in town. And you might want to ask me too, what about my dear relatives? Guess what? They never wanted to see me or my family so that their rich friends wouldn't know that they had some connections with one of the poorest family in the town. By the way, even if they have brought tears to my parents' eyes and emotionally and psychologically they brought me on my knees, I am still grateful to all of them for igniting a fire in me to become very successful. And now, as being said, kill them with your success and bury them with your smile. But I wouldn't do that. And I never have and never will, because I think we all messed up on some point of life. Therefore, I think we should learn to forgive each other and let it go maybe. I don't know. But I did and it brought me peace. Trust me, I have been through tough times that I can't even imagine. However, this video is not about that. Otherwise, this video could take 2 hours, 47 minutes, 20 seconds to tell all my life story. However, I will tell you in another day on another video. But at some point, I have to tell you because I cannot hide my journey from you. Otherwise, how will I motivate you? In my journey, I learned one very good lesson that keep walking, keep learning and never look back. And the time came when all these cool friends and relatives wanted to learn from me that how to invest in stock market, in crypto, NFT, in short how to get rich, and they all wanted to be my good friends too. And guess what? I accepted their friendship just because I don't want to be cruel because it's worth nothing. In any case, I don't want to remember those memories now because it hurts, but a good thing happened to me. That kept me going and that I find my very thing, which has always helped me a lot on my journey. You might wondering what is that? That is the water. Yes, you heard correct. The water. When I get tired, demotivated or discouraged, I go to the sea or to the river and sit alone on the corner for a long time. And I feel recharged and energized and again ready to jump in the ring. So find your thing today and let me know in the comments what is your thing. Okay, let's come back. And don't forget the goal of the video. Do you remember that I just told you in the beginning to help and support each of you so you can become champion in your league? Is it really a big goal, isn't it? Yes, it is. But let's start with the small steps. As being said, small steps of a man could be a giant leap for a humanity. In next couple of days, I'm gonna share with you the basic course of stock market, cryptocurrency, NFT, and Forex. And you will get it absolutely free. Just press the subscribe and like button, leave a comment. So write me 2 goals of your life, one for this year and one for your lifetime. And come back next year, reply in your comment and tell me that what you have achieved. And also share with me that if my videos have helped you in any way, shape or form during your journey. Because I am sure my videos gonna help you in any way, shape or form. See you in next video, champions. Have a great health, wealth and happiness in life. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. That's it for today.